Hi, this is David Marsh with EminiTradingStrategies.com. This is the weekly update for March 8th through March 12th, 2010. This will be the last weekly update that we discuss the Dow, as the Dow will be coming off Sunday evening. So if you have any interest in that, make sure you get with us over the weekend. Al and myself will be around all weekend to answer any questions, and we got a great promo, so you don't want to miss it. We had 3 days this week on the S&P that we had one and dones: Monday, Thursday, Friday. I was actually off Thursday and Friday. I had some personal business, so I did not do any trading. Tuesday and Wednesdays, we got beat up a little bit, right? We all take losing trades, but we recovered. We made our income, and we moved on. The Dow had a pretty good week. It was also contract rollover, so it didn't do any Dow trading on contract rollover, which was on Thursday, and there really wasn't much going on Friday because of the low volume. Okay, now here's Monday. Nice one and done, normal system entry, as illustrated here by Pro Indicator. Beautiful trade up, nice one and done. And I wanted to show one more trade here for Monday. Anybody who follows my videos know we have a rule that keeps us out of normal system entries because they tend to lose. Here's a couple losers, and this is called no zone. Well, when we come out of no zone, when we lose this back coloring, we love to take that first NSC. That's a high probability trade. In fact, this trade is 78 to 82% sometimes winning. Okay, this trade coming out of no zone. Now, Tuesday and Wednesday, we actually lost on these no zone trades. Okay, we don't win every trade, but it's important to note that this no zone trade is a high probability trade. Okay, also a nice short pullback trade there as well. Now March 9th, well, here we are coming out of no zone, right? First NSC loser, second NSC was a recovery trade. Okay, I personally do not like to go through the highs of the day, so I don't reverse. Okay, there's a lot of guys that fade the top. Technically, you could take this reversal trade and recover. Some of my students did, and it worked out to their favor. Okay, I had to trade later into the day to recover. Let's move on to March 10th. Same thing, almost looks like March 9th. Come out of no zone. Good pullback trade, and had the opportunity for one and done if you got it, if you got filled on it, if you know. Um, First NSC right here, coming out of no zone, loser. Same thing up here. The recovery trade recovered, okay? However, I don't like breaking through the highs of the day, so I did not, and I ended up trading later into the day, okay? Let's look over towards March 11th. I did not trade March 11th. Coming out of no zone, beautiful NSC, one and done. March 12th, NSC, one and done, beautiful. Okay, so let's talk about the Dow, long term and short term. This is March 8th, this is the long term. Had a nice short trade here, but you'll see there's an NSC. So if there's an NSC in one direction, you'll see another short NSC when the rules are met for NSCs. But our rules here, if you were short this trade, this would not have been a reversal signal. You'd have actually stayed into the trade, okay? So it was actually a good trade, and then we had a halfway decent trade here because it really got a good fill. These entry lines, so you want your fill to be above that line. So this bar closed too, you got a really good fill, so you had some nice profit on that trade as well as that trade. Let's look at the fast term on March 8th. Beautiful trade, a couple nice trades in here. Let's move on to March 9th. I know we're getting low on time. This is we had a report up here, still a great trade. I actually caught this trade and jumped out a little early because of the report coming out. And then beautiful short trade here. And here's the fast term on March 9th. Quick loser, followed by a nice recovery trade, another winning trade. March 10th, look at that, beautiful, beautiful trades right there. And here's the fast term on March 10th. A couple nice winners as well. And then I'm pretty much skipping March 11th. There really wasn't enough data on contract rollover on the tick charts I used to really have many trades at all. So here's March 12th. This is the fast term. Is even on the long term, even on March 12th, it usually takes a couple days of data to start getting the charts built up because it's got to have data to form a chart, and we use tick data. So some great trades here as well. So that's it for the weekly video update, and this will be the last time we have a weekly update discussing the Dow as it is coming off the market Friday. I will be putting up a couple more Dow videos I have Saturday and Sunday. So be sure, and they were recorded this past week live, so be sure to check back Saturday and Sunday as well. Thanks for watching.